Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying account details so you can stop charges without delays. Sign into Roblox, then go to Settings and access Billing to view subscriptions. This tells you which platform billed you. If you bought premium via Apple or Google, open their subscriptions screen next. This ensures you cancel the right recurring charge. Once done, note the renewal date and current billing method so you can plan the exact cancellation moment and avoid losing leftover days. Now cancel on the platform that billed you. On web, use Manage Subscriptions in Roblox and select Cancel. This stops future payments while often preserving access until the period ends. If billed through Apple or Google, open their subscription manager and choose Cancel Subscription. Make sure you confirm the action. You do this because platform-managed payments bypass Roblox support. After canceling, watch for confirmation. If you don't get one, recheck the subscription page to ensure status switch to canceled. Finish by confirming the subscription reads canceled and note when premium access ends so you don't mistakenly repurchase. If you were charged within a short window and want a refund, request it through the same platform that processed payment, Apple, Google, or Roblox, because refunds are handled there. If cancellation doesn't appear, clear browser/app cache, log out and back in, then recheck. Make sure to contact platform support with transaction ID if problems persist so they can reconcile billing quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.